Hello everyone! Today I'm going to create my first zine ever. A zine is basically a mini magazine. It really depends on your taste how you want to fill it in. You can use whatever you want to: paper, pottery, illustrations, pictures, paints, or anything else that you still have at home. Since this is the first zine that I will create, it might not turn out to be perfect. It's definitely a tryout. But although I will keep the design of my zine pretty simple, I wanted to share it with you anyway. This might inspire you to create your own zine. Since Jordan Clark already uploaded a video on YouTube, how you can make a zine, I advise you to go watch that video if you want to know precisely how you fold paper in order to create a zine. I followed her instructions. That's why I will link her video in my descriptions below the video. So let's go to the fun part now. I start with designing the front cover. I glue the paper to the small booklet and I add a title. It can be nice to choose a certain theme for your zine, so the title will be based off on that theme as well. Although I didn't have a clue yet what I wanted to create in my zine, I already wrote down my title. Now let's go to the next pages. Here I use the same black paper that I used on the front cover and a page from a book that I already read. I'm also adding quotes. It's all in your head. It's all in your head. In the following entry, I used 2 pictures that I took myself. I printed them to use them in my zine. It might not be visible what the pictures show, so I will explain them. There are 2 separate pictures of a train station. In picture number 1, the train is standing still, while it is moving in picture 2. I thought this was an interesting contrast between the 2. What you can notice is that I try to not use a lot of colors. I keep it simple by mostly using black and white. It might be fun to later on create a colorful zine as well. I'm also adding a poem here. If you want to read it, you can pause the video. I will show you a flip through as well at the end of the video. For the following spread, I work with the same paper materials. I did add another quote, a wooden thing that I found in my room, and a small green leaf. We're now almost finished with the zine. I only have to finish the back. This doesn't take a long time. After that, I write down a couple of words and I'm done with creating my first zine. To give you an idea of what my zine looks like right now, I'm going to do a quick flip through. Although it's a really small book, I really like the idea of making something this small. If you don't have a lot of time but you still want to create something new, creating a zine is one of the best things you can do. It's also really relaxing because you don't have to worry about whether it looks perfect. If you don't like the end result, you can easily start over again. It's also a nice idea to make a personalized zine for a friend or family member and give it to them on their birthday. That's not only an original but also a special gift. For now, I want to thank you for watching this video. I'm looking forward to see your zines, and I will see you soon. Bye bye!